Now that we have installed and set up WooCommerce, let's go ahead and add some products to our e-commerce website. So to add a new product to my e-commerce website, I go over to products, then I click on add new. So under product name, I enter the name of my product. Then in here, I enter the description of my product. This is going to be the main description that will appear under the product image. I have a dummy content. I'll paste in here. I don't need to type everything from scratch in order not to bore you with my slow typing. Maybe I can create a new paragraph here. Perfect. Going down, I go to product data, and under price, I enter 99.99. I can also decide to enter a sale price. For instance, if I want to reduce the price of my product from 99.99 to 69.99, I can do that under sale price. And I can also decide to schedule it. I can pick a date it will be activated, for instance today, and then the day it will end, maybe the last day of the month. Next, I go to inventory. In here, I can enter an SKU to identify my product. SKU is stock keeping unit, and it's just a unique identifier to your products. So I'll say 001, just something to fill up the field. I can also manage stock by enabling the checkbox here. And in here, I enter the quantity of the particular product I'm working on currently, that is classic men's suit. So if I enter 10, this will be displayed on my product page so that visitors of my website will know that this is how much of stock I have in my store. And do I want to allow back orders? So if I enable this, visitors of my website will be able to place orders even if I don't have any product in stock. So I can decide to say allow but notify the customer such that my visitors or my buyers will know that I don't have the product at hand for now and they can get their product later. I can also say allow. They will just be able to place the order, but they won't get any notification to indicate that the product is not really in stock. So in here, I can enter 5 to indicate that when my products are there with 5, I'll be notified so that I will stock them up. Next, I go to shipping. Now in here, I can enter the weight of my product. So I will say 5, and the dimensions, I'm just putting something to fill up the space or to show you how it is done. So I'll say 8, and the width 5, 4. Okay, and shipping class, I leave it as no shipping class for now. And link products, attributes, advanced, I don't do anything in here. I go down to product short description. Whatever you enter under product short description will appear beside the image of your product. So I paste in my dummy content again. I go up. Under product categories, I click on add category. Then I call it suits. Okay. Now this is going to be a main parent, so I don't do anything in here. So I click on add new category. So it is added and also checked. Going down, I can add product tags so that visitors who search based on those particular tags can be directed to this particular product I'm adding. So I'll say suits, jackets. Okay, now I'll set product image, and that is the image that will appear on the product page. So I'll select files. Now I'll search for the location of my product images. So in here, I'll go for the red jacket. I click on open. Now in here, for the purpose of SEO, that is search engine optimization, I'll enter the name of the product under alt text, that is classic. Now paste the same thing in here, then set product image. I can also decide to add more product images for this particular product, maybe different colors of this particular product. So I scroll up, then I click on publish. Now the product is saved. I'll view it in a new tab. So this is how my product page will look like. This is the product title, the regular price, that is $99.99, and then the sale price $69.99, and this is the short description as specified, and below here is the long description. That is where I created a paragraph, and I have 100 in stock, and visitors of my website or my shop will be able to increase the quantity and add to cart. They can also decide to add it to their wish list. And in here, I also have the SKU, category, and then the tags I specified. Visitors also have the option to see additional information, that is the weight and dimensions, and then they can submit a review. And down here below, they can share it onto their social media platforms that are available in here. So now that we have created a simple product, let's look at how we can create or add a variable product to give our buyers the opportunity to select from a variety of colors and sizes depending upon what you want to see in your shop. So let's go back to the product page, and to add a variable product, I'll click on add new here. So in here I enter, and the product description, I'll go ahead and copy my dummy text, paste in here, and I'll go down to product short description and paste it there as well. Now take note, under Ocean WP, I don't do anything here, so I can decide to collapse it. Now under product data, I drop down the arrow under simple product and choose variable product. So in here, you won't get the opportunity to set up prices until you set up your variations or your attributes from here. So now I've already shown you how to use SKU, mini stock. I'm not going into that anymore. So before we continue, I'll go over to products and then go to attributes. I'll right click and open it in a new tab. So this is where I'm going to create all my attributes. So first of all, I'll create color, the color attribute. Then I'll click on enable archives. This will give me the opportunity to add the color attributes as part of widgets in my e-commerce website. For instance, if I go to the product page, these are some widgets. So I can add it to my widget in here so that visitors can actually select the colors from here. So if I have a bunch of different colors on my e-commerce website, users can just decide to click on red so that all products that are having the red color will be displayed for them to choose from. Okay, so I go back there and I click on add attributes. I'll also add size, add attributes. Now that I've added my attributes, let me go ahead and configure the theme. So I click on configure theme beside color. In here, I enter the various colors I want to have on my shop. So I'll say red, add color, blue, add color. So I'll go ahead and add all the colors I want on my shop. So now these are the various colors I want to have on my shop. I'll go back to attributes. Then I'll configure size. So in here I can decide to use S for small, L for large, XXL, that is extra large, but I just want to make them simple by specifying small, add new size. Next is medium, add new size, and finally large, add new size. Alright, I've added all my sizes, and I can also decide to rearrange them by taking small on top. So I'll hold it from here, take it out, and then medium will follow. So I have small, medium, and then large. So I exit out of here and here as well. Now go to attributes. So to get the various attributes in here, I need to refresh this page so that it will pick everything from what I've created under attribute in here. Okay, I need to enter everything again. So I'll say slim. I paste in my demo content as my product description. So under variable products, I go to attributes. I drop down the arrow in here, then I choose color, add attributes. Okay, so in here, if I go to select items, I'll see all the colors I've added under attributes. So the product I'm going to add, maybe it is in black color, red color, and white color as well. I can decide to just click on select all to enter all the colors I have. And then I can also click on select now to remove everything. So I'll select all and then I'll remove red. Okay. Now I'll select use for variations. Then I click on save attributes. Okay, color is added. Maybe that particular product also comes in different sizes, so I choose size, add. So if I click here, all the sizes will drop. Now I choose small, medium, large. And always make sure you check use for variations, save attributes. Now I go over to variations. I drop down the arrow under add variation. Then I click on create variations from all attributes. Then I click on go. Are you sure you want to link all variations? This will create a new variation for each and every possible combination of variation attributes. And you have maximum of 50 per run. So I click on OK. And I have 9 variations added. Take note that I selected 3 colors and also selected 3 different sizes. So every single color will come with every single size. That is why we are having 9 variations being added. I click on OK. So you see in here, black will come with small, black medium, black large, blue small, blue medium, blue large, white small, white medium, white large. Okay, that is why we are having 9 different variations. So now is the time to add the prices and their respective images. But before I do that, let me set a product image. So I use the black as the main product image. Now I'll expand everything from here. So black small, I click on it. So this black color, set. You can set up the SKU at your own time. I don't want to waste time on this. And then the price is 99.99. I'll leave width and dimensions. And then black medium, I choose the same black color. Take note, you can use one image for all the colors for black and also for the sizes. The prices will have to differ, or the prices will have to make the difference. So for medium, it will be 89.99. Then I go down to black large. I select it, set variation, then the price, the large will be 100.99. Going down to blue color, blue small, so I'll use this as blue, then the price will be 99.99. Blue medium, the price 99, and then blue large 100.99. I hope you get the concept, so I'll go ahead and enter the rest and get back to you. So everything is added. I click on save changes. Then I scroll up, click on publish. Product is added. I right click and view it in a new tab. So this is how my product page will look like. So my list price starts from $89.99 to $150.99. So users can go in here, choose the color they want, and then also choose the size they want. So I'll choose blue and then large. It will appear here. Take note, this is the color I use for blue. Let me go to white. So this is white large or white small. You won't see the image changing because I'm using the same image for all the sizes. So let me clear. I go to white. After picking the color, you won't see the image changing until you choose the size. So I go to medium, you see that. So this is how it works. Then I can add to cart. So this is how we add products to our e-commerce shop. Now I'll go ahead and add more products to my e-commerce website. So I will suggest you also do the same so that we have more products to work with.